about your buyer. I learned a nature self because about an champion. Or my be youth in afforestation or forestry. The Fanny Papa Bray, a Akuapem Mampong far, Nippon 80, our forestry department. I had Jumaya and said, Ye Jumia, our Ghana. And so, Nancy, I was idea for Atron, say, or Boca, Naya said Jumia. Let us say, O Mampani, Nanity and dear, dear Ajuma Hokasi. As no tin and net day, young in Ayeshimuha. Say, ye never celebrity, Sadano. Now, dear, dear Tosso, I a green in Ghana. I say, Bassa Ghana, hanging a green. Nay, it's a Sasania Titino, na Ghana Tiano. I know to go so as I sham. I say, let's go planting 5 million trees for 1 day. And the other day, I Ghana hanging a ye be near 5 million. Now, I can't remember my idea of 50 million. I am run. And then answer about can now lunch program. Ya check me on 5 million, 50 million. Yet mahogany 20 million. Yama 50,000. Yama acacia 20,000. Yama acacia 1,000. And you have fruit seedlings. Fruit seedlings no. Ya check and mako 500. And I check citrus and car, and I check mangoes, and also I check 1,500. And you can come on, mission me on quiet check. Maybe because I am short, but maybe we can crack home. I thought I'm penny for people be said. That's what I come for man. That's the one she out pound your day. When you she, it's not a couple months away, or be a name Sasano. Oh, sir, it is all done down. Now, church. I don't know, and you're not your Diano, yan Dandano, yan Chachiano, your dear, no, you, and until Amanipa, the only see one out in the Cibreno. Now you're far from your vision, you're going in a, yes, I say, Niano, and until you shall car a viable, I won't be home, and to Jumadia, you're bedding in a, not stress, and you pay, you're really high and near you, you didn't see what. Yes, I say, I'm going by. Yes, and you have a brave because. And the other itself as name of a brave. Yeah, more forestry. I will tell forest man. Who rap forest, who rap a brave, and the other brave. What is the atmosphere? No, and you're different because of Indiana or no more. Scientists are gonna have so I say, Yanis, an environment, you know. Yanis, see a best say, you're doing the anywhere. You're more buying. Not your aim, and your goer. Am I a yes, Edgeman? And your quack, Madame Aseidu.
No, I don't know. Sabri ya yeti ya shia hano. Sabri ye betu ya na mo afia ko ba bia ekuko dua na nkasa. Enti yere ko Sinai na yakodua dua na ho. So the purpose will be realized. Sabri ye yina se na ye buy sa na yina be ko eko Sinai. Ho na yekodua bibia kra na fe na nanso asemi wo ho ba ka kire. It's important. You Sinai. They all road to Sinai. Then we do the planting. That is the actual thing that we are doing. What you are? What you are? Hey, coach.
Open gate.
Yeah, but this way did that, as I said, if you run, the man of my welcome address. I said, you will be here also. We are going to invite the headmisters of the school to come and give us a welcome address. So let's welcome our dear lady, Honorable.
Thank you very much. Oseadeeyo Kwasi Akuffo, Chief Imam, teachers, students, forestry department, all gathered here. On behalf of Sinai Senior High School, I welcome you to our serene and august premises. This school was established by the late Imam of Akropong as a private school to augment the effort of the silent brotherhood. It grew to a level and the government took over as a government institution. This school has been the best school in so many occasions. Cadetting, debating, march past, everything. We've presented ourselves and we've never found ourselves wanting. So today, this biggest occasion that we have chosen this school gives us privilege and honor to be the selected among the lots. This shows that you have also seen from far the hard work, the commitment, the dedication, and the enthusiasm this school has grown. We've always competed with serious schools and always Okuapehene take over because they are Okuapehene. Today, I am happy Sinai has also been chosen as the pivot of Okuapehene. And I hope today will never be the first and the last. Most programs will definitely come because we have the muscle to tackle Okuapehene to take over from there. Yes, we've tried, notwithstanding many problems we have in the school. I'm taking this opportunity to give you a brief and a gist of the problem. The first one is that there are no bungalows for teachers, not even a single bungalow for a teacher, as well as the headmistress. I commute from my former school to this place every day, and we are planning to get some. We are pleading through your outfit to see the government through this MCE to make sure Sinai also enjoy the facility of other befitting senior high school, because when you count the first 10 senior high schools, Sinai will fall within. We also have needed uncompleted structure. You can see here classrooms, well dormitories. Please, we plead with you. Use your maximum effort at your outfit as the Hene for us to make sure the contractors, through the MCU, come back to site and manage our infrastructure for us. We also want to partner the Assembly and the Traditional Council because the whole Ghana, I can see that Sinai has an enviable edifice of double tower that nobody has. I want you to partner us, and we can use this as a tourist attraction. That will help Okuapehene as well as the school, and then the Sinai development. These are a few of the items I would like to table before you. The rest will come when we meet one-on-one. On that note, I welcome all of you to this prestigious school of Mount Sinai Senior High School.
We are going to business. We are going to invite the MC to tell us why we are also here. So, Papa MC, you are welcome.
Yeah, thank you very much. Please, I'm not going to read a very lengthy speech. It's a summarized form. Nana Oye Akuapem Nana Kwasi Akuffo III, the headmistress of this noble institution. Nana Ahemea, Chief Imam, teachers of this wonderful school with many achievements, honorable assembly members, staff of the assembly, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear students. You know, I was once a teacher, so when I see students, I count myself as one of your teachers. It is an honor to have the Hene of Akuapem to participate in this important national exercise of tree planting. Today, Friday, set aside to Green Ghana. It is an initiative by the Ministry of Lands, Natural Resources, and the Forestry Commission. His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency, the Vice President, and other prominent citizens will publicly plant trees across the country to mark this day. Ghanaians of all walks of life will be mobilized on this Green Ghana Day to plant 5 million seedlings today. It is no secret that the forest cover has depleted over the years, and these natural resources are fundamental to Ghana's social and economic development and should be protected and sustainably managed. The Green Ghana project is geared towards creating an enhanced natural awareness on the necessity for collective action towards the resolution of degraded landscape in the country. It is specifically designed to green and beautify our communities and towns and to mitigate the effects of climate change on the environment. It is also meant to inculcate in the youth the values of planting and nurturing trees and their associated benefits. There is no doubt that trees help reduce erosion and moderate climate. They release oxygen into the atmosphere and serve as habitat, as well as provide food for many birds and other wildlife. Finally, they provide food, especially fruits, and also provide shade and serve as windbreaks. It is against this background that the President, coupled with the several other benefits that His Excellency the President attaches so much importance to this project, and he's encouraging all of us to plant trees as part of master plan of the Green Ghana project, which seeks to restore our forest cover. The Hene will start this initiative by planting a commemorative tree. He will nurture the tree and own that specific tree. And this will signify the commencement of the simultaneous planting of trees within our municipality. This is to be replicated within the entire municipality, led by the respective chiefs. What this means is that all the major towns in Akuapem, every chief is going to plant a tree. And the same chief is going to nurture the tree, own the tree, until the tree grows to become what we are seeing around. It is time to arise and build a better and sustainable Ghana for the future generations. Plant a tree today and save the environment. Let's all join the nationwide tree planting exercise and plant 5 million trees today. It is my mandate, it is your mandate, it is our collective mandate to protect our environment. Let's all be citizens and not spectators, as said by the president. There is a saying that when the last tree dies, the last man dies. Nana Oye, thank you very much, and all the dignitaries around, that today, as I have said earlier, is a very special day in the history of Ghana. Plant a tree and protect our environment, because it is the environment that holds us. Thank you very much, and may the Almighty bless us all.
As at this time, we are going to ask Oseadeeyo Kwasi to give a little remark about all that we are going to do. From there, we'll be going to straight to where we're going to plant the trees, and we're going to do it according to order. Nana said, Nana Oye will plant one, Krontihemea will plant one, MC will plant one, Director of Scientific Research into plant medicine will also plant one, Director for Forestry Department Akuapem will plant one, and then Okofo Chief Imam Abdul Haruna also plant one.
And then we say meta Penyufa, we want to try na as from MC forestry representative, my farm, Nana Oye Akuapem Krontihemea. I said that case say Musumo Buimuko say Yembe starts exercise in Municipal na near Pia more headmistress kind. Just school need in tell me say a year parents say people so wash you na work as Yembra Sinai. If say we dread na at the seminar measure so na me magu happy prayer. And it's a media never near you. Internet there said that me did become say mo be media no so. You exercise here aban de atu ye nim say ya fine you share your home can say ye ndua wo ye man kano ye nenamo yes exercise be bring one day 7 na bi kra da dua no ya de a wo de hwe wo hwe ye nenamo a bi muti ase a bi mo ye 100 and over sa nyama na ka ho ama won ho ahoden aba won from our woman na ya light ko fi nim sa near me say ndua na wo ye ho bebre no ama ye home from apa from emu ya light enye fake how ye ni pebia no nti no ya da balance ya da MCA so as ya da forestry commission so ya da one sipa say one my opportunities say yen so yen fa ye hundim na yen ka Ghana fu na yen fa nche Ghana nyam na daachi bi yen nenam so won so wenya infama pa bi aho nti ya da CP na enedwumedi so mesre say e beda obi akoma so wo to meet to Sydney ni bia na say forestry for who bisa ko MC wa na ko bisa so ke bia yi dia Sydney ti bia wo be mamu na wo bibi kakra wo fikra na bia ba ko si yo na wa be hu mfa so me fi mu ndia bebre wo me ta akotena ase na me di dwen o ma ho nti no ye na ye hia se ye nso ye bebo modern na ya ye sa na Ghana ya ba ko na ye di tu te me damasi pi damasi
afere ya ko bi adu ado the lady can remember say me dey share traditional rulers before and son of the Ministry of the Akuapem North Ministry. In Patrol, the lady can Oseadeeyo Kwasi Akuffo III or when you ha. So when you are mom myself. Yes, I Nana Oye Akuapem Krontihemea. Also when you Nana Akuapem also when you Nana Oye Akuapem Sante, Akuapem Krontihemea Bakuma, also when you Nana Okofo Ayeh Bekoe Obosomase hene or when you Osabarima Kwame Otu Dartey, Akuapem Mampong hene or when you Akropong Chief Imam Alhaji Haruna Abdul and the Limpen also went and all of us also are important dignitaries. We are all welcome. Thank you. Now, Akuapem North Metropolitan Assembly dignitaries. Your Mr. James Osuba, MFO. Thank you. Yes, our Mrs. Joyce Osu Secretary, Forestry Officer. Mr. Nathan Bedu Abwaji, Agri Director. Akuapem North. Okay. Mr. Yaya Al-Hassan, Deputy Director, Akuapem North. Thank you. Mr. Jonathan Obobi, Physical Planning Officer. Mr. Francis Edu Nimaku, Head of Internal Audit. Information Officer Samuel Kuma, Diploma. But the last but not the least is our Honorable Berima Awia Aseidu Larbi. Your Scientific Research Institute for Medicine planting or interpreter and a young fire service in paying for was what Grapuma was walking over this way. And I feel not both by Fosua, but assembly members in Penfuaka Susua. Thank you. Can we just some free as an open up for your own selves. Capture.
Two ladies. Daddy, our mother.
MC. Thank you. And I said very much. Very much one. I'm sure you're right. Mango. What is the other one? Oh, that. Oh, that. Okay. Open more fruit. Oh, very well. Okay. So I don't find Krontihemea to come and give us a thanksgiving for all the things that we have done here, and then crown it all. Then Alhaji Abdul will also give us a closing prayer, and then we'll bring it to a close.
Yada aboard Obaadiase Sanka yewo stopi naka naso wahi mato fefefe ama yan ayade a eda aban komaso ama ne yada obi bia se MC nti abanse ma ode ma Oseadeeyo forestry for na womra na wo benyi medua no baba ye ko kwa wo se aseda ye kamya tiapa ye de obi bia se nipa wo bobo wo din a wo ye mpayin nyina ha e bo wo din a ye beche ye de obi a se obi a otu anamon no ba ha ye de obi bia se bia ni e proper yo panyin duara na etu asa ye do man ase se britia yi mu watumi aye adekesi a etise afrefre na ahemfo afrefre profo etise wo begina na wo aye ade etise ye do man ase ye do bibia ase na dua ya won adua yi ye sra mo se mumu susu maye na bibia mu yan a won aboyi dua ye medua ye dua dua ni nyina ye ba be sra dua na hwe ye be sra na hwe ni nyina so na mo mo aye ye do bibia ase ye da mas opa ewrade fa mo ko koduma tran pa ye do bibia ase.
So we want to ask Chief Imam of Akropong to give us a closing prayer, very short and brief. Then we'll take it from there.
اللهم اجعل الحق حقا وارزقنا وان الباطل باطلا وارزقنا بها اللهم اجعل الحق حقا وارزقنا وان الباطل باطلا اللهم نسالك بحقك وحق حقك وبحق نبيك وكلامك وخير الانسان يا قادم اللسان يا من لسان فوق اللسان يا مالك الدنيا ولكن وسالك الوان ولا اله سبحانك اللهم يسر لنا على نبيك وكلامك وجودك وفضلك امين
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Oseadeeyo TV, Okuapehene Oseadeeyo.